Have you ever wondered how a small island nation transformed into one of the world's most influential cultures? From ancient myths to cutting-edge technology, today we're diving deep into the untold history of Japan. This is a story of resilience, innovation, and a unique identity that has captivated the world. So let's embark on this journey together. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Today we're unraveling the intricate tapestry of Japan's history, a narrative filled with samurai, shoguns, and the spirit of wa, or harmony. Understanding Japan's past isn't just about dates and events, it's about appreciating how this remarkable nation has shaped its identity and influenced global culture. So grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's explore how Japan became Japan. To understand Japan, we must start with its ancient roots. The Jomon period, dating back over 14,000 years, gives us insight into the lives of the early inhabitants. They were hunter-gatherers, known for their intricate pottery and connection to nature. But as we move forward, we encounter the Yayoi period, where agriculture began to flourish, setting the stage for the rise of complex societies. Now I want to hear from you. What fascinates you most about Japan's ancient history? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a conversation. As we move into the Heian period, we witness the flourishing of art and literature, giving birth to masterpieces like The Tale of Genji. This era showcases the elegance and sophistication of the Japanese court, where aesthetics and culture were paramount, but beneath this beauty, political intrigue brewed, leading us into the tumultuous world of feudal Japan. With the rise of the samurai and the establishment of shogunates, Japan entered a new chapter of warrior culture. The Code of Bushido, emphasizing honor and loyalty, defined the samurai's way of life. But it wasn't just about warfare. This period also saw the growth of Zen Buddhism and the arts, influencing everything from tea ceremonies to garden design. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we find Japan at a crossroads. The Meiji Restoration marked a pivotal moment as the nation opened its doors to the West. Embracing modernization, Japan transformed from a feudal society into a global power in just a few decades. This rapid change is a testament to Japan's adaptability and resilience. Let's keep the conversation going. What aspect of Japan's modernization surprises you the most? Comment below, and I'll make sure to reply to as many as I can. In the aftermath of World War II, Japan faced devastation but emerged stronger than ever. The post-war economic miracle transformed Japan into an industrial giant, while its cultural exports, anime, sushi, and technology, captured hearts around the globe. Today, Japan stands as a beacon of innovation and tradition, blending the old with the new. Japan's history is not just a tale of past events, it's a source of inspiration. It teaches us the power of resilience, the importance of culture, and the beauty of blending tradition with progress. As we continue to learn from Japan's journey, let's embrace the spirit of curiosity and exploration in our own lives. If you enjoyed this journey through Japan's untold history, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fascinating stories. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the past shapes our future.